Hey, what is up, you guys? It's your boy Insanian, and welcome back to this brand new reaction video. So today we got JISOO solo stage Earthquake plus Your Love. A lot of you guys in my comment section by my last reaction video right on BLACKPINK Jump requested this one for me to check out. So it's going to be a genuine authentic reaction video as usual. Besides that, we're also going to be checking out Jump once again, but then in 4K, because when I reacted to it, it was in like 360p, also because these versions just weren't out yet and I had to go to work, so your boy did not have any time. Right now, I have a free day, so gotta check this one out as well. Plus there's like an entire performance I can check and see if I can react to bits and pieces of that, right, because like 2.5 hours, but I do want to see everything actually, so yeah. Let's hope so that I can check it out without having to blur everything out, right, to avoid copyright claims, so you guys can watch it with me. Anyways, get myself some good drink, some coffee, and if you guys have any other recommendations, you know where to go. My Instagram page, insanian_, link in my description. Oh, and by the way, this is indeed an L mug. If you watch Death Note, that's my absolute favorite anime. Watched it 3 times. So if you did, then I love you forever. Anyways, yes, that's about it. Thank you guys so much for listening and for 127k subs. You guys are smashing it, and without further ado, let's get right into this. I feel like I'm gonna have a heart attack by the end of this video. Let's get it. That dress, oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, man. She is so goddamn pretty, man. She is so freaking pretty. It's insane. Sorry. My fucking laptop, stop bugging me. Come on, I want to see JISOO in 4K. Without any lag.
It's me like an earthquake.
This reaction video will be 30 minutes at least. How can you have that much of a cold expression? You lucky bastard. If you're watching this video, I'll envy you forever. Shit! Bro, this guy is so freaking concentrated, and I don't blame him. He is sweating his every ounce of sweat on his body is just dripping right now. If I would actually hold JISOO, right, I will be bathing in my own sweat just because of the amount of nervousness I feel, man. Jeez. Come on, bro. But they're professionals, I don't blame them. No! Sorry. It should have been me! It should have been me! Scheiße! Come on, bruh! I know you're a professional and all that. You know what? I will be a professional as well. I'm gonna be destined. Jeez, man, you guys are so lucky. Don't tell my girl. I mean, I think she secretly already knows. Okay, my guy's got strong arms, right? Bigger than mine, so I'm jealous. This is amazing! Yo! Who the fuck is holding this? Ah! Fuckers. Alright, so got this motherfucker smiling and all happy as hell to be holding her hand. Get your hand off her, bro. You're smiling as well. I know you want to. You can! You fucker! Anyways, sorry. These guys did nothing wrong. I'm just jealous. Jeez, man! No, I'm not gonna be able to sit through this. Bro! This has ruined my day, man. This shit's ruined my... Ah! It's ruined my day. I'm gonna go to the gym after this, so I'm gonna let out all my steam. It's all gonna be okay after this. But... Ow! I don't like seeing this, man! Fuck off! I don't want to see this! Yeah, it is that you guys are professionals. Okay. No! What the fuck? Why does this dude low-key look in love with her? Bro, can somebody edit my face on him? Man! How do you even have the opportunity to do this? Bro! Unfortunate. Alright, for anybody who's watched Death Note, right? If the Shinigami realm were real, and I would have Shinigami eyes and a death book right here, let me just write some names. Nah, okay, sorry, that's pretty sadistic. I'm joking, guys, I'm joking, bro. This hurts. You guys don't understand. JISOO and I go way back. This shit hurts. I don't want to see this. I want to see this shit. Bro, she is so beautiful, man. It's insane. What the fuck? What? No. Anything that has to do with sheriffs, I get automatic flashbacks. I get flashbacks. Yo! This is like heaven. This is like what heaven feels like. Right before I die, this is like the last shot I see. Oh my god, I'm having way too much fun with myself. It's parasocial, bro. I'm not that bad. Listen, I'm over exaggerating, of course. You guys get it. But yo, jeez, man. The fact that it's in 4K is such clear quality and this is real, it's just... I still have to process what I just saw, right? These images are burned into my eyes. So, I don't think I'm gonna be able to sleep tonight even. I think I'm just gonna have, like, I'm gonna sleep with one eye open, and in the back of my mind, I'm gonna keep fucking thinking about those guys dancing with JISOO, bro. Fuck, man. What's this? No! No! Was that supposed to be part of the script? Was that actually supposed to be that this guy kissed JISOO on her hand? Or was it actually like playing along? He knew it all along that he wanted to do this, but it wasn't a part of the script. He just did it in the most smooth, perfect timing way possible. You motherfucker. Fuck! Okay. Fuck you! Oh, I'm gonna cry. Oh man, okay, that is adorable. That is really cute. Listen, if this guy, wait 1 second. No, sorry, this guy, was it him? Okay, so all simps. As if I'm not a simp. Anyways, shh, that's besides the point. This guy's throwing out a heart, JISOO doing this, look at him directly in the eyes for 1.5 nanoseconds. I would faint in that time exactly at that point, your boy would just, I'm out, guys. Bye. See you guys in the next room. Jeez, man. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. She killed it. She killed it, and the backup dancers, they all killed it. Right? I don't have any hate or grudge against you guys. I'm just jealous. It just should have been me. All I'm saying. All I'm freaking saying. Okay, so let's take a breather real quick, alright? And get back to Jump. People are saying that there will be like an MV release for this. Either way, whatever will happen, right, happens. If there's no MV, it's also fine. If there's an MV, you'll betcha I'm going to be reacting to it. But let's check out the 4K version of this so we can get a better glimpse of, you know, the choreography and visuals as well. Let's get it. Yo, already a lot of hype. Yeah, this is iconic, man. Oh my goodness. Okay, I gotta say this once again. This song is so freaking iconic already, and it's fresh. It's a new song. But it's just the fact that they've done their solo careers, they've expanded themselves, they each have almost 100 million followers on Instagram, and they come together as a group. They are freaking powerful, man. They're dynamic, the four of them as a group. The whole freaking world knows them. You know how freaking insane that is? Right? And then they come back with this hype track full of energy, as if they're fresh, as if they're a new group. They still got it more than ever. Think about it. That's fucking insane. And Lisa is with the bags once again. I like this hairstyle. I mean, she's gorgeous. Once again. She is freaking gorgeous. I think everybody at Mama knows. Right? Anybody who says, I don't find her attractive, bro, get your ass out of here. I know plenty of girls who will die to get a chance to go with Lisa, right? All I'm saying. Guys as well, for sure. Oh my goodness. Okay. Fuck, man. Okay, let's go. Damn, Jenny. Rose! JISOO! Nah, bro. I actually just want to go on Jump. Fuck it. Damn. Bro, it's catchy as fuck. Okay, let's go. Yo, what's my man doing? 1 second! 1 second! What the fuck? Wait! Are these the same guys from JISOO solo performance? I'm not sure. I think it's kind of crazy, this move. I think this move is kind of crazy. 1 second. What the fuck is my man doing? Oh, Jesus Christ. It's like pretty much hip thrusts in the gym. I never do hip thrusts. I maybe actually want to implement it in my workout routine. Because I feel like you can add like a ton of weight and just go balls to the walls with it, and just that feeling of intensity and just the amount of fucking pressure by the weights, like you're being crushed, but you still have enough momentum and energy to actually explode with power. Man, what a fucking rush! Oh my goodness. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Anyways, how do you do that? What the fuck? Okay. Let's actually try to behave and not act like I'm a fucking psychopath. Let's get it. Whew! I had too much caffeine. Yo! This is insane! Like an actual rave! We got a breakdown! Yo, guys in the crowd, come on. Get your phones out of the way and start jumping, man. Come on. I want to see all them glow sticks up in the air. Come on. Fire. Absolutely fire. Absolutely fire. Very lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. I don't think they'll ever be coming to the Netherlands, but if they will come to the Netherlands, then please inform me on it, because I will buy tickets ASAP. Alright? I knew that they were, you know, they had a world tour and they did one in Amsterdam, Ziggo Dome. I had the opportunity, but I did not have the money at the time. So I wasted the potential of going to it, right? But now I've saved up a lot of money, so even if it costs 1,000 euros, I will be down to check it out. If they're ever in Europe, nearby, hook me up, inform me on it. Perhaps I'll go with you even, alright? That will be so sick. A once in a lifetime opportunity to see BLACKPINK live. Bro, come on. I really love the song's vibe and the sound. It's better than I expected, to be honest. Yes. The only thing I realized was they're all so healthy looking. So happy for them. Yes, they are. Yes. Hearing BLACKPINK in the area again from the girls gives me goosebumps. Understandable. Trust the girls. Just look how much fun and much more confident they've become. Indeed, the song was made with concerts and music festivals in mind. Yes. If you think about it, it was kind of smart to debut it on stage. Yes. It grows on you each listen. For sure. For sure. Yes. Guys, that's about it. Hopefully you guys still enjoyed this reaction vid, even though I was a little bit, you know, crazy. Hopefully you guys still enjoyed, and if you guys did so, then please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you guys like me and my content, please subscribe. Become an Insanian today, because your boy does post consistently. Here is another video you guys check out. Rest in peace, Tommy Etika, Chokum Boys forever. Hope you guys forget this day, and what I'm saying to you is bye. Love y'all. To the next one.